In this video, we are going to show you how to make any program portable, including your favorite apps in Windows 11. So first of all, we need to download Enigma VirtualBox for the idea to work. Head over to the website and download the Enigma VirtualBox program from the website. A direct download link is given in the description for easy access. Now, once downloaded, double-click on the setup file and install the program. Now open the program. Navigate to Browse next to Enter Input File Name Path box. Now select the program that you want to make a portable version of. For this video, we are selecting Google Chrome as the program. Now head over to the Add button in the bottom left corner of the app. A submenu will appear. Select Folder Recursive from the options. Now select the directory from where you have selected the program. In our case, since we have elected Chrome, so we navigate to Program Files, Google, and click on OK. Once that is done, click on OK again. Now specify the output path of the portable app and select a specific location. We have selected Desktop. Now click on Process. The app will compile everything into a container for you, which might take some time. Once done, you can click on Run to initiate the portable program. You can also directly run the portable app from your desktop as well. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Guiding Tech. Also, make sure to check out our related how-to videos as well.